Hey, what is up, everybody? How are you doing? Happy Monday and hello world, of course. Today I'm a little bummed out after seeing all the pictures from yesterday and that insane, incredible supercell that was just outside of Lubbock, Texas. I missed it. I went south. I got a giant hail system, and everybody else got a tornado and an insane barber pole swirly supercell. So anyway, I missed out on that today. I got a little bit higher hopes. I'm looking over all the models. Really good shear and cape down in the southwest part of the Texas Panhandle. They've given a severe warning and a 10% chance of tornadoes today, which is pretty dang high. They just updated that, and an enhanced severe threat. So everything's pretty much in shape. Hopefully this area, it's going to produce. Hopefully it gives me something good as far as supercell structure. They're predicting pretty good structure in the systems today. Just which one's going to have it, nobody knows. Some people know. I don't know. I'm too green for that. But I'm going to give it my best and see what's going to happen. The storm I'm going to has all the highest levels. Doesn't have much for low-level lapse rates, which help in tornadic cells and tornado genesis. But who knows? That may change. It's still a few hours out, and I have a couple hours to go as far as driving goes. Maybe an hour. Big old tractor on the side of the road and a big old tractor coming straight for me. Definitely in farmland out here. So anyway, it's going to be north of Odessa, Midland area. It's looking real good. The bulk shear is great, 500 millibar. The vorticity is great. Pretty much everything's in line for a great storm, so I'm really hoping for the best. Maybe today's the day. I know I've said that quite a bit, but hey, maybe today's the day. Love to be able to get a tornado. At least some pretty good structure would be awesome. So anyway, that's where I'm heading right now. That is my morning update. I'm only a few hours out from having some fun, so I'm gonna get to it. Got some driving to do. Yeah, I am bouncing around a little bit. That's never a good thing, but there's a storm south of where it was supposed to be, and it's like way south. That has since started, gone severe, but it was a little bit in the wrong direction of where I wanted to go. It's a nice isolated storm out on its own. It might end up being a pretty one, but I'm kind of trying for tornadoes this time. I'd rather have that chance. I'm a little bummed out seeing everybody's pictures yesterday, and there was another tornado today in New Mexico. So yeah, I want my tornado, damn it, you know. So there's a dry line right on the New Mexico-Texas border. The Storm Prediction Center is saying that is the place to be. Storm chaser's going southbound, not northbound like I am. But that's okay. That's where they said the most activity is going to be, the most hail and the chance for tornadoes. Might not be quite as pretty as the one down south, but on the dry line, there's a nice bulge on the dry line. I know that the bulge usually ends up producing some good stuff, and I'm going to try to get up towards that area. The chance of hail is a little bit greater, which I am not too happy about, because they're predicting 4-inch hail today on this storm, which is about the size of a grapefruit. That will completely dismantle a Kia Soul and make it look like it was left in South Chicago a little bit too long. So I want to avoid that at all costs. So there's actually a really nice supercell going up right next to me. I don't know if it's rotating yet, but boy, does it look good. It's a nice tower. Yeah, I'm going to pull over real quick and I'll give you some video of that. Actually, I might be turning towards it. That right over there. So yeah, it is looking fairly promising this way. So yeah, I'm gonna go see if I can hunt myself down a storm. Yeah, so actually right now there are towers going up left and right. Two more just popped up basically right on top of me. So I might try to go a little further in front of it, see if I can get a good position on it. But yeah, it's looking good. Okay, so got back up north a bit. 3 good storms flared up, and I went to go run out east and north to get ahead of it, and realized I've got less than a half a tank of gas, so I had to run further north than I wanted, the wrong direction a little bit to get to a gas station. But I filled the tank up, and I should be good to go for maybe the night. I've got about 400 miles of fuel. Chase on, it's on. Yeah, so the southernmost storm is looking really good. It's probably gonna pop out some good structure. The one in the middle, north of that, it's already starting to build up a hill core. It's a little bit smaller, kind of less flaring out and stuff like that. Looks like it might have a little bit more potential of maybe putting down a little twister, so I don't know. It almost looks like a potential hook area on the bottom storm too, so I don't know. I'm not really expecting a whole lot as far as tornadoes out of this one. They're predicted to be hailstorms, so that's what that's going to be. But hopefully they pop up some good structure like they did yesterday that I missed, that I don't plan on missing this time. So who knows, I'll probably miss it because I'm a greenhorn. All right, so I'm gonna hop out here in a second and get a visual on what's going on. There's a couple roads that I've been passing up, but yeah, because I want to see everything's in my rear view mirrors, and this car isn't the best when it comes to looking behind you. So yeah. Oh, let me put my hat on. Hey, there I am. All right, I'll be back. All right, so that's the southern storm. Looking quite nice, some modest clouds. That is the middle storm right there. That's looking pretty dang good as well. But yeah, I'm thinking this one right here is going to get some structure going on it. It already might have. Maybe I should probably get a little bit south, see what's going on. It's dropping a little bit of rain, but it's hard to one-hand everything with holding the microphone and GoPro and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, yeah, it looks like another tower going up way out there, kind of under that anvil right there. So yeah, should pose to be an active day. It's already looking beautiful. I'm gonna maybe see if I can get maybe a little further away or something, try to get some structure on that. It looks like there's already some structure building up, so. All right, onward. Hey, Cass, how you doing? Yeah, that was a little soft. right. Scooby snacks for the pup. Because I'm a messy eater and I got me a Valero burrito surprise. I believe it's chicken. Can't guarantee it. Anyway, that's what I'm looking at. Storm over here is severe warned. It's not doing too bad, but I really kind of like this thing behind me. It's just kind of getting some nice structure. It's like nothing right now. Barely on the radar. And this one over here is dropping some hail. I know that. Really curious what that's going to do though. I got a bite of cheese. All right, so get the microphone plugged in. Got the start of a nice barber pole supercell. Man, that does not do it justice, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start a time lapse right now, and you will see it here. Oh my God, modest clouds. This is incredible. All right, yeah, I gotta get this. Hang on. Okay, so sweet, that was my first time lapse of a supercell. I'm sure it could have been better, but you know, hey. So interestingly enough, there is a tornado warned storm right next to me. I don't know if I should ditch this and go to that, because this is pretty damn epic. And I really don't want to leave this, but it's tornado warned. Now, They're saying there shouldn't really be much for tornadoes in these systems. Not that it can't happen, but I don't know. In the radar, if you can see it, is just jacked up. I mean, you can't really see anything for here, so I don't know why. I mean, purple. Yeah, I mean, it's telling me it's got 120 mile an hour winds one way and 30 mile an hour winds the other way, so that also looks heavily embedded in hail. Oh, come on, there's another one that just popped up too, so let me look at that. Oh, that looks sweet too. Oh, decisions. So the good thing with radar scope, it doesn't really show up good on here, but you can hit the little draw button, hold it, and it'll give you a distance recorder. So the tornado warned storm is 153.1 miles away. So it looks like I'm sitting on this baby for a little bit longer. I'm gonna get my camera back out and keep shooting a time lapse. I don't know. Here, let me show you what is up with this. It's pretty sweet. I'm gonna disconnect the mic. Incredible storm. This thing has gone from like pancakes to mothership to barber pole. It's doing all kinds of different stuff. Right now it's just a massive blob of energy in the air. Thing is it's over really dry farmland right now, so it's kicking up some serious dust, and you'll see in the time lapse and stuff like that. I've shot like 4 or 5 different time lapses on the storm because I've had the time to. It's a real slow moving storm. It is still tornado warned. There's still heavy circulation in the center of it, and I can't see it because of all the dust. So it seems like every once in a while I'll get a glimpse of something, but it's probably nothing. Just my mind playing games on me because I really want to see a tornado. And this one might have it. It almost looks like a funnel right there, but probably not. So, oh, I need to make sure I don't pass my road. Nope, haven't passed my road yet. But here, I'm gonna flip it around. Look at the dust. And we got another funnel cloud. Come on, be something. Be something. That would be sweet. All right, I'm gonna put you down. Giving you a little chaser convergence here. The storm is still really good. Got all kinds of craziness going on. And I'm still on it. It's dropped several funnel clouds, as you've probably seen. I don't know if I'm gonna have the time lapse up by now or not, but yeah, it dropped a thick tube of a funnel cloud. It just went only maybe halfway down or so. Never touched. I don't think it touched. Maybe I'll find out later on and get a confirmation, but I don't think it did. Rolling. This is bonkers. Killer storm. I gotta get my camera out. The convergence is crazy. The next road and intersection I'm coming up on, there's gotta be 200 cars stopped, waiting on a stop sign. Bonkers. All right, gotta go. if you can see them, but I got a serious mosquito problem. Here, let me close this up, girl. But I found a way to get mosquitoes out of your car. Turn your light on and repeatedly clap in front of the light, and you eventually kill them all. But don't leave your lights on and windows down next to a farm. Note to self. Anyway, hey, killer chase. That was awesome. I probably got like 5 minutes of time lapse. Insane. Filled a 128 gig card. So I at least got that much. Good Lord, they're everywhere. I'm gonna have to drive with the windows down. But yeah, hopefully I can put some good pictures on this video and some time lapse. I finally got to shoot some time lapse of a supercell, so that's awesome. Saw some funnel clouds, that's awesome. Yeah, I think it's time to go ahead and actually, you know what? Yeah. In the style of Pinko's Hank, it's not a tornado, but since it was a good storm, I'm going to celebrate with an apple pie. Yum. All right, till the next chase. You guys have a good one.